Hey, what's going on, guys? So in this video, I am going to show you how do you do a send it in Snapchat. So let's start. Now first, you have to make sure that your Snapchat app is up to date and you already have send it in your mobile device. Now let's open up send it. Now here, you can edit your message by tapping on edit button. So you can tap on the dice to load up random messages or you can type in your own. You can also play games. So let's just close this one and tap on see games. Now choose a game you want to play. You can swipe from left to right and tap on the play button with the Snapchat icon. Now it is going to take you to your Snapchat app. So from here, you can see the game and you can take a shot and tap send to. Now from here, tap on my story and tap on the next button. Now this is uploaded to your story and you can see your messages and your friends' messages on the Sendit app. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one.